So it's a Friday evening and I'm just sitting here with the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Just want to bring you a quick note. Just purchased a brand new vehicle. The next thing you want to do in order to keep your vehicle looking pristine is connect your garage. So we're going to take that little puppy and connect it with that little puppy. Of course, not myself, I'm already connected, I'm the driver. But there again, we're going to take Mercedes-Benz best-selling model in the lineup and program it to the garage door of your new home. I'll grab my garage door opener, which this one is a LiftMaster. Of course, you may have Genie. Genies can be the hardest to program. So I'm going to take my garage door opener here. This one only has one button, as you can see there. Gonna go back to the buttons on the bottom side of the rearview mirror. There again, you've got 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna press 1 and hold at the same time I'm pressing the button on the transmitter. So as I press 1 here, I'm gonna press both and hold simultaneously. And you can see your indicator there. Now look at the garage door in the back. That's gonna start to move. As soon as your indicator goes green, release both. And you're gonna press 1 again to lock that in. So what it did was it picked up the rolling code from your transmitter and now it's programmed to the vehicle. So all I have to do, and you can see the garage door in the back there, press and hold 1. And it's moving again. So quite simple, programming your transmitter to your garage. And you can see the garage in the back, so I'm going to do that one more time because I had the transmitter in my hand, just in case you thought I was holding the transmitter. Going to press and hold 1 again. You can see the garage door moving. And you've just completed step 1. Now, step 1 is good enough for most vehicles. Step 1 simply is programming the transmitter to the car itself, or the car's Homelink system. Step 2 would be, if that did not work, what you would do now is so at the top of your garage, you have your motor. Of course, that's where going to be where your lights is. Basically, it's the center of your garage. All the ones I've seen, it's in the roof, it's in the center. On the back side of that, going to take you through to the back, and you can see the orange wires and everything right up in this part of your motor area, right behind the light, actually right next to the light. See the wires there? So that's where your discovery button is going to be. Matter of fact, if you look close enough, you can see a little orange dot there. That's your discovery button. Get a ladder, you're gonna press that button. As soon as you press that particular button, which is the yellow button, the discovery button, keep in mind yours may be red. Once you press the button, you're immediately gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to get back out, run back to your car, because you will have right at about 30 seconds. Once you're back inside your car, you're going to take the same number 1 that you just programmed to your transmitter, press and hold 2 seconds, release, press and hold 2 seconds, release, press and hold 2 seconds, release. And your garage door should start moving. That's step 2. Step 1 is good enough for most homes simply because most homes have one-stage garage. Of course, some of the newer homes may have more secure 2-stage garage in which you have to use the motor on the top of the on the roof area of your garage area to complete the 2nd stage. So hopefully you have enjoyed this. Hopefully you will automatically be able to uplink and program your garage. Enjoy and tune in.